Further, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Baqarah, chapter number 2, verse number 256, لا إكراه في الدين قد تبين الرشد من الغي. Let there be no compulsion in religion. Truth stands out clear from error. Many of the Muslims, they say that as there should be no compulsion in religion, we should not do dawah. You have to only convey the message of Islam to the non-Muslims. You have to give them the message. Then it is upon them whether they accept it or whether they reject it. So your job is to just deliver the message, is to do dawah. Giving hidayah is in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Quran, in Surah Asr, chapter number 103, verse number 1 to 3. Wala asr, by time. Innal insana lafi khusr. Verily man is in a state of loss. Illa alladhina amanu, except for those who believe. Wa amilu salihat, and do righteous deeds. Wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. And exhort people towards truth, and exhort people towards patience and perseverance. To enter Jannah, there are minimum 4 criteria. Iman, righteous deeds, exhorting people towards truth, that is dawah, and exhorting people towards patience and perseverance. Under normal circumstances, if one of these 4 criteria are missing, a person will not enter Jannah. You may be a very good Muslim. You may be offering salah 5 times a day. You may be giving zakat. You may have gone to Hajj. You may be fasting in the month of Ramadan. But if you do not do dawah, under normal circumstances, you will not enter paradise. If Allah wants to forgive you, it is upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 48, and Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 116. Inna Allah la yaghfiru an yushraka bih, wa yaghfiru ma duna dhalik liman yasha, wa ma yushrik billah faqad dhalla dhalalan ba'ida. Allah forgives not that partners should be set up with Him, but He forgives anything else to whom He pleases. So if Allah wants to forgive you, it is upon Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But under normal circumstances, if you do not do dawah, you will not enter paradise. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Al-Imran, chapter number 3, verse number 104. وَلْتَكُمْ مِنْكُمْ أُمَّةٌ يَدْعُونَ إِلَى الْخَيْرِ وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ وَيَنْهَوْنَ عَنِ الْمُنْكَرِ وَأُولَٰئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. Let there arise out of you a band of people inviting towards all that is good, enjoining what is right and forbidding what is wrong. They are the ones to attain felicity. Today in our community, we have full-time doctors, full-time lawyers, full-time engineers. But in this verse, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is asking us that how many full-time da'is do we have? And it is the duty of every Muslim to be a part-time da'i, to convey the message of Islam. And those who are full-time da'is, they are the ones to attain felicity. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Nahl, chapter number 16, verse number 125. أُدْعُوا إِلَى سَبِيلِ رَبِّكَ بِالْحِكْمَةِ وَالْمَوْعِظَةِ الْحَسَنَةِ وَجَادِلْهُمْ بِالَّتِي هِيَ أَحْسَنُ. Invite all to the way of thy Lord with wisdom and beautiful preaching, and argue with them and reason with them the ways that are best and most gracious. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala promised us in the glorious Quran in no less than 3 different places. In Surah Tawbah, chapter number 9, verse number 33. In Surah Saf, chapter number 61, verse number 9. And in Surah Fatah, chapter number 48, verse number 28. هُوَ الَّذِي أَرْسَلَ رَسُولَهُ بِالْهُدَى وَدِينِ الْحَقِّ لِيُظْهِرَهُ عَلَى الدِّينِ كُلِّهِ. It is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who has sent down His religion, the religion of truth, so that it will supersede over all the other religions, over all the other isms, whether it be Christianism, Judaism, secularism, atheism, any ism. Islam is destined to supersede them all, master them all, kulli, overcome them all. وَلَوْ كَرِهَ الْمُشْرِكُونَ. And how much ever the mushriks, they did not like it. And with a different ending, in Surah Fatah, chapter number 48, verse number 28. وَكَفَى بِاللَّهِ شَهِيدًا. And enough is Allah as a witness. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala does not require you and me, the rubbish that we are. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is giving us an opportunity to do a prophet's job and earn a prophet's reward.